Let's solve for x here. The question is 2 raised to the power x. This is 2 raised to the power x. Of course, is multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. There's law of indices, and will be equals to x power x. So 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 4 equals to x power x. So you divide both sides by 2 to the power x so that you have all the x in one side. So 2 to the power x. So this will go. So the equation now will now be x to the power x all over 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 4. You can see it's now wearing a new look. But you start the left hand side, they have a common power. Therefore, you can write it in the form of x over 2 all to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power 4. Let us do some manipulation. We have a problem in the left hand side, so it still remains x to the power of x over 2 all to the power of x equals to this base 2. You can write it in the form of 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is still 4, is still 2 rather, and the power remains 4. So you can see it. You cannot cancel these 2 and these 2, so this one will now go. So it now become x to the power of x equals to 4 to the power of 4. Can you see it here? The base and the power are the same. Therefore, in any cases, x is 4 and 4 is x. Therefore, x will be equals to 4. And that's the final answer. And if you like, you can do some checking and see. Let us do it and see. This one is 2 to the power 4 plus 4, 8. That means 2 raised to the power 8 will it be equals to 4 to the power of 4? Yes, it's possible. Now let's see. This is 2 raised to the power 8. Because of this 4, you can write it as 2 to the power of 2 times 4. And 2 raised to the power 8 will be equals to 2 raised to the power 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah, it's correct. The answer is correct. Whenever you solve a problem, try and do some background check so that you'll be sure of your answer. Because if you're sure of your answer, nobody will mark you wrong. Thank you for being here. Please follow for more. Bye bye.